Okay, I am back. I'm gonna start the video with addressing a few comments I have about Italy. It's not that I dislike or hate Italy, quite the opposite. I love it actually. Moving here was the single best decision I've ever made. Maybe after marrying Anna though. But yeah, it's on par. I love the food, the architecture, the nature, the people. It's very nice. What I don't like is the obvious things, which basically everyone knows about. The bureaucracy is horrible. There are some practices here which are a bit strange, such as for example, when it comes to electricity, they want to put these junction boxes everywhere. In this room we have 2 of them. In this room we have 1 over there. They wanted to put 1 over there. I said no to that. For the plumbing, they want to put these tiny wells similar to this one basically everywhere. I think I counted 8 or 10 of them on the original plan. I said no to that because I don't want holes everywhere with hatches, etc. The whole garden would be full of them. So it's just tiny things which are a bit strange. I mean, that's obviously for maintenance, security, etc., which is apparently very important in the garden. But when it comes to bathrooms, they want to do internal fittings, which I would say it's a much bigger issue than having a clogged drain somewhere in the garden, which, I mean, there are numerous ways you can unclog a drain in the garden. But I don't know, that's just differences between countries, I guess. So with that, I am going to build inside the stables today, which I've been doing for the past months. What I would like to do is build a villa. That's gonna take a bit more time, I guess. So today, hopefully, I can do the first layer of paint in there, we'll see. But I will start plastering these walls, I guess. Yeah, I think that's the first on the agenda. So cue the time lapse of me plastering walls. Take a short break from plastering. I've done the first layer of a few, I guess. What I'm gonna do is clean up in the bathroom and do a layer of paint in there. There we go. The first layer of paint is on. As you guys can see, I haven't done the corners etc. with a paintbrush because I already know I have some work to do there. The first layer of paint is just to see where I need to do more work with the plaster, and I know I have to do a lot of work in the corners, so I'm not putting any effort into that at the moment. I left this bit without paint because that's going to be damp proof with a sealant, but that's going to be done I think within 24 hours before the tile goes on. I need to look it up, but I think that's it. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna leave it and then go through to see what I need to do in here. I'm going to continue working on the threaded windows. I'll start with attaching the wood pieces I'm gonna need for the plasterboards and take it from there. I did manage to get a few things done in here, as well as painting the bathroom. I have seen that I have to do a bit of extra work here in the ceiling, etc. Apart from that, at the first glance it looks okay. But with that, I'm going to end it. I'm heading out with Pepe and his son, and we are going to the local pizzeria for a dinner. Until next time, ciao.